Hi Norman, just a quick test of your clocks. Now they're complete. I'll power them on, do the sweep, and as I select gears, it shows you which gear you're in. That brilliance can be reduced. Obviously that's bright at the moment. If you press and hold the button, there's 5 different levels you can turn it up or down. The warnings remain full brilliance, so the run stop switch gives you that warning, full brilliance, and you can select different patterns. I leave it on that one, and it remembers the brilliance that you've set like that's dimmer when you turn the ignition off, so it doesn't actually forget. If I just give it some speed and RPM, 80 mile an hour and 8,000 revs. It's all working. Save running up your miles. If I go onto the trip count, 0.4, and reset, and reset. Button's a little bit rubbery, that's it. There you are. Anyway, that's it. Hope you like them. I'll get them in the post this afternoon.